Want to start using the Bluesky social app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a Bluesky account for free. Now let's get started. If you haven't yet, you can download the Bluesky app for free from the App Store. Then open the Bluesky mobile app. Tap Create Account. Bluesky is an open network, so you can choose a custom hosting provider. If you're a developer, you can host your own server. As an average user, you can just leave it set to Bluesky. Now enter your email address, a password for your account, and choose your date of birth. Then tap Next. Now choose your unique user handle. Then tap Next. Complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're a human. Now you can add a profile image for your account, or create an avatar instead. Tap the pencil icon to import an image from your camera roll. Tap Continue. Now select some topics you're interested in to curate your Bluesky feed. Tap Continue. Your Bluesky account will then be created. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to view your profile. You can further customize your profile by tapping Edit Profile. Here you can add a display name and bio and a cover image for your profile. Tap Save to save your changes. To create your first post, you'll first need to verify your email address. Tap the New Post icon. Then tap Send Confirmation. You'll be emailed a verification code. Open your email inbox to find the code. Then come back to Bluesky and enter the code you were sent. Tap Confirm. After that, you're all set to start using Bluesky. That's all it takes to create a Bluesky account. If you're interested in other alternatives to Twitter, check out our playlist of Threads tutorials next. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.